For the first time, a non-AI company has reported record quarterly profits from its generative AI efforts. Here's what happened and what every CEO can learn from it. Welcome to episode 27 in Prolego's Generative AI series. For years, you've been hearing about AI's potential, but very little about bottom-line results. Well, that changed when ServiceNow announced record-breaking profitability from generative AI. Before diving into the details, I've got an offer for you. Several companies have asked us to brief them about ServiceNow's AI success, and I'm happy to brief you as well. Just contact us through a link in the show notes, and we'll schedule a call. ServiceNow is a $150 billion publicly traded company that provides general IT services for primarily small and medium-sized businesses. Here's how the CEO opened its Q4 earnings call. ServiceNow closed an outstanding 2023 with a beyond expectations Q4. Artificial intelligence is injecting new fuel into our growth engine. The call continued with many success stories across business processes. Resolving HR cases, answering employee questions, improving customer relationship management, increasing developer efficiency, resolving payments disputes, managing risk and compliance, and improving field service management, and on. And it crosses every industry: banks, retailers, government, restaurants, pharma, and on. The CFO then made a remark that got the attention of venture capitalists. Translation: AI is making us money faster than anything we've ever done. So, why do these remarks matter to you? Unlike marketing claims, CEOs provide evidence for what they say in earnings calls because they can be sued or even imprisoned for misleading investors. Analysts also scrutinize every remark and can crush the stock if they smell BS. So this isn't the usual AI hype. Analysts believe them, and they raised estimates for the ServiceNow stock. I then took a closer look at their GenAI offerings. One GenAI capability helps developers write code similar to GitHub Copilot. The remaining 5 provide content summarization for IT, HR, customers, and field technicians within their existing products. All 5 are examples of automated document processing, the most straightforward AI capability I've demonstrated many times on this channel. Bottom line, ServiceNow has created value across business processes and industries by deploying LLMs as a general-purpose technology. While most companies are just talking about AI, ServiceNow deserves credit for actually doing it. Here's what every CEO must learn from ServiceNow's GenAI profits. First, your business has hundreds of similar workflows that could benefit from generative AI. Not only can you replicate ServiceNow's results, but competitors will be announcing similar efficiency gains. Analysts, investors, and board members will begin asking about your AI plans and looking for results, not ideas. Second, you can replicate ServiceNow's success. Automated document processing is a straightforward workflow that primarily requires custom prompts and single calls to the LLMs. Just like ServiceNow, you can deploy AI as a general-purpose technology within your existing solutions. It doesn't require specialized skills or huge investments. Now I know you have many questions, such as selecting a first AI project, getting started, and dealing with data and security issues. Just contact us through the link in the notes and we'll be happy to brief you about your options. If you found this useful, I hope you'll join the thousands of data, analytics, and AI professionals who subscribe to our weekly email newsletter. Now don't worry, this isn't the same irrelevant AI hype already filling your inbox and LinkedIn feed. Instead, we share assets used by the world's most successful companies like job descriptions, strategy templates, case studies, code samples, and more. Just visit prolego.com/newsletter or click the link in the show notes.